Hey guys! In today's video, I'll let you guys know how you can make your first few $100 in affiliate marketing commissions fast. If you are interested in more content like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's hop into it now. Before we get into it, let's take a look at a few key Google statistics to see how and why this strategy works. Every day, Google receives over 3.5 billion searches. The most noteworthy statistic is that 16 to 20% of all annual Google search results are new, which indicates that nearly 1 out of every 5 items put into Google has never been typed in before. These Google searches are what we'll be targeting today. In this video, we'll talk about a method to transform terms that people are searching for on Google, but that no one else is interested in, into money-making engines that pay out commissions on a daily basis. To begin, we'll need a program named Ahrefs to conduct our research. So Ahrefs is normally $97 per month, which means that without a free trial, you'd have to pay $97 to conduct all of your research. But in the interim, I found several Fiverr gigs. So you can go to Fiverr.com and search for Ahrefs research. And you can find people who will conduct this research for you for $5 or $10 because we only need to do it once. So let's get started. Step 1. Searching the right keyword. Our first step is to identify the appropriate keywords. Go to Ahrefs and utilize the Keyword Explorer to do so. How and best. People frequently use the term how to search for solutions to their issues, or best to search for the best products to purchase. So we'll type that into search and it'll start returning a huge list of items that people are looking for that begin with our entered keywords. Now we'll go to where it says matching keywords to fine-tune this a little bit. After that, it will provide us with a list of items that people are looking for based on our keywords. In order to do so, we'll employ a variety of filters. The first one that we'll use is global volume, and we'll state we want it to be greater than 300 searches per month, since anything less than 300 searches per month is definitely not worth it. Then we'll go to SERP features and turn off the top and bottom ads and click Apply. Next, we'll apply other criteria, such as cost per click. Try lowering it to 0.3 to 5 and then clicking Apply. Now we'll be given a list of searches to choose from, and we'll pick our target from that list. Before making a decision, consider the number of searches each month and cost per click. For example, How to Crochet receives 55,000 monthly searches and costs roughly 25 cents per hit. Now the beauty of this is that it is likely someone who is ready to spend money. So if there's a decent crocheting course or instruction on how to crochet out there, that person would be interested in it right away. They want to learn how to crochet, and they're probably willing to spend some money to do so, and upon their purchase, we'll be getting our commission. Repeat the technique for the term best as well. Step 2. Matching affiliate programs. Now for step 2. We need to find and match appropriate affiliate programs to our offering now that we've picked a keyword and product. We're going to start looking for affiliate programs that work nicely with this strategy. Let's get started with our first offering, How to Crochet. We can make something that teaches people how to crochet in a rudimentary way, but many of the people searching for it probably want to learn properly and are ready to pay for a course. As a result, we'll look for a crocheting course with an affiliate program. The top brands in online courses, Skillshare.com and Udemy.com, both feature crocheting classes. We'll now join the Skillshare affiliate network, and it appears that for every new client we recommend to Skillshare, we'll receive $7, which means that if we can get a consumer to search for the term how to crochet, we'll receive $7. We can persuade them to scan it, sign up for Skillshare, and study using Skillshare every time they search, and we'll make $7 every time. Now, $7 does not appear to be a large sum. However, if it receives 500, 1,000, or 2,000 searches each month, and we can profit $7 on a big portion of those searches, it's a win-win situation. For best microphone for vocals, we can use Amazon.com or eBay as our affiliate programs. Every time a person reaches to Amazon or eBay to buy a microphone through our website, we'll get paid for it. Step 3. Creating a web page. Step 3 is to construct a page that will direct visitors who are searching for How to Crochet or Best Microphones for Vocals in Google too. When people search for it, we'll attempt to be the first item that comes up. We'll construct landing pages for them. This web page will provide them some information about crocheting or the best microphones, and then it will offer them one of the crocheting classes or Amazon items for which we will sign up as an affiliate. People that visit the crocheting web page are trying to learn how to actually master it. So we'll make a page and explain how to accomplish it using graphics and GIFs. Similarly, we'll construct a short page with our affiliate links for the finest microphones for singing. Now they can be Amazon links, eBay connections, or direct affiliate program signups, whatever program you wind up joining up for. You'll post its links on your page. Hence, the sort of page we create will be determined by the keyword we're targeting. So now that we've located the keyword that we want to target, we've found the product that we want to market, we've developed a landing page, we need to construct a small ad that will appear in Google when people search for this. Step 4. Creating Google Ads. Step 4 is to create your Google ad. Go to ads.google.com to build your Google ad. The wonderful part is that when you initially join up for Google Ads, they will offer you anything from $50 to $500 in free ad money to get you started. The beauty of this is that you can fiddle with it, try it out a little, and see if you can come up with anything profitable while utilizing the voucher money instead of your own. So when we search for it, we'll end up on a screen. After we're all joined up and logged in, we'll go ahead and create a new campaign. When we click on Start a New Campaign, it will ask us what sort of campaign we want. We'll say simply search people who are searching for something, and we'll paste our web page that we produced. Then we'll press the Start button. Then it'll ask us to pick a daily budget. We're still in the testing phase, trying to figure out which keywords work and which don't, and if the campaign as a whole will work. So we'll say $10. After that, we'd want to state that we're seeking for clicks. We also want to concentrate on obtaining Google clicks. We will set a budget for how much we're prepared to pay each click. Then it presents us with an option stating, would you wish to include the display network? Select your response. After that, depending on the software, we'll want to choose locations that are compatible with that program. If our affiliate link is for Amazon US, for example, we'll choose US as our location for the Amazon affiliate program. Next, choose a language. If it's English, keep it as your default. Now choose a keyword. Google Ads will show us a list of keyword suggestions, but we should eliminate 95% of them and stick with the one we found on Ahrefs. We will put our keywords in brackets or add a plus sign, which signifies that if someone puts in our keywords, Google will show them our ad, even if there are 10 more words after them. Since we're attempting to entice everyone who searches for that term to click on our ad, we'll add other alternative attractions like low rates, worldwide shipping, and so on. Next, we'll add additional descriptions, and Google will begin testing to see which one has the best click-through rates, which one has the most people clicking it, and will provide us a preview. Then we shall add site link and call-out extensions. Call-out extensions are just little sentences that capture people's attention. Click Save, double-check that everything is in working order, and we should be ready to go. Finally, click Publish Campaign, and we're done. So Google will now show our ad whenever someone searches for how to crochet or best microphones for vocals. Our ad will direct them to our webpage where they can determine which of the various solutions is best for them. When they click on the affiliate links, they will begin to see their options, and when they purchase one, we will get paid. Hence, this is how affiliate marketing can help you earn $100 and more within 24 hours of setting up this whole procedure. You won't have to work for hours. Instead, you can earn easily by staying at home and little effort and investment. So if you liked the video and want to watch more interesting ways to earn money, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon in order to get notified every time we post a new video. Until the next time, peace out.